life of anyone McCallum killed. Larry Ludicky just called him. He's had him. He's killed him.
It's not cut. Moves, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Starting last month, some cattle were killed. They belong to Larry Ludicky. Now he's been killed.
And you know who did it?
No. And it's not a who, it's a what.
I think something is causing domestic dogs to pack and attack people.
President of this college, you have the responsibility of the lives of everyone here. 2 people have been killed already. One of them is a student. By what? It's terrible, yes, but you have no evidence it was done by dogs.
What's that noise? What is it?
Let's get out of here.
It happened once. It could happen again. It could happen where you live. Will you be ready for dogs?